Story time!
In a bright, bustling forest, a fluffy white creature hopped eagerly. Its eyes sparkled like dew on the morning grass. Adventure awaited. Suddenly, a glimmer caught the keen eye of the little rabbit, a golden acorn. It glowed like a treasure from a dream. Soon, a big, gentle friend lumbered over. His soft paw reached out, wondering about the shiny wonder nestled in the greenery. Up above, a quick-witted companion scampered along the branch, his sharp eyes twinkling. "What's that below? It looks marvelous!" Curiosity turned into a tug of war. Each one wanted the treasure, pulling with all their might. Frustration bubbled in the air. Oh no! The acorn sank deeper into the muddy earth. They tugged and pulled, and nothing but splashes followed their efforts. Realization dawned on the fluffy creature's face. "We've made a mess, but together we can fix this!" Hope flickered in the air. They joined forces, digging and cleaning with laughter. Each scoop of mud brought them closer to their beloved treasure. Finally, with a triumphant cheer, they uncovered the sparkly golden nut. Magical glimmers revealed 3 little treasures inside. Joy erupted. Each one had a golden acorn of their own. Together they cheered, delighted with the magic of sharing. In their hearts, they felt a warmth grow. Sharing brought them closer. The forest, once quiet, echoed with their giggles. From that day on, their bond flourished. Adventures awaited at every turn. Together they celebrated the joy of caring and sharing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.